Today, I'll be showing you guys how to make some hair spritz. We all want gorgeous, luscious, thick, and healthy hair. I will be using the Revive Hair Tea from Asali by A&F. I will also be using cedarwood, rosemary, and lavender essential oils from Young Living. Brew the tea as directed. You literally add a tablespoon of tea mix to 8 ounces of hot water and basically let it sit for as long as you can. Here it says 8 to 24 hours. I did mine for like a day and a half. I let it sit for a day and a half. And this is what it looks like. Here's a look at the tea again, and you guys, as soon as you open this, it just smells divine. Okay, so we have our tea, and now it says you may add essential oils or oils of your choice, transfer to a spray bottle, and spritz onto scalp and hair length every other day. You can keep the leftover in the fridge for up to a week. Alrighty, so let's get started. First, I strained the tea into my empty bottle. Now I'll add in 5 drops of cedarwood oil, 5 drops of rosemary oil, and 5 drops of lavender essential oil. Screw the cap on and you're ready to go. Make sure you shake it up a little bit to mix it up before you spray it on your hair. Spray it on your hair and scalp and rub it in nicely every other day, and you can keep the unused portion in the fridge for up to a week. If you would like to buy the hair tea I used or any other natural hair care products, you can find Asali by A&F on Instagram. If you need to buy any essential oils or essential oil infused products, please contact me.